If you're looking to bring order to the chaos of incoming requests in Jira Service Management, this tutorial is for you. Today, I'll be walking you through exactly how to create targeted, efficient queues for your team. By the end of this video, you'll be able to build custom queues that surface the right issues, streamline your agents' workloads, and help everyone stay focused on what really matters. Let's get started. First up, make sure you're logged into Jira. From the top navigation bar, head over to the Projects menu and select your specific service project. It's important to choose the project where you want your new queue to live, just like picking the right drawer in a filing cabinet before putting documents away. Once you're inside your project, look over to the left-hand sidebar and click on Queues. Here, where all your current queues are lined up, ready for action. Now, depending on your Jira version, you might see a More Actions menu. That's the little three-dot symbol right next to the queues heading. Click on that and select Queue Settings. In some versions, you might also see a plus sign that says Create Queue. Either way, you're headed for the same destination, the queue creation screen. Now it's time to create a brand new queue. Go ahead and click Create New Queue. This is where the magic starts. The first thing Jira asks you for is the queue's name. Take a moment here, be clear and descriptive. Instead of something vague like Q5, try a name like High Priority Hardware Requests or Due This Week. This way, whenever you or any teammate scan the list, you'll know immediately what the queue is about. Next comes a crucial part, defining what issues will show up in your queue. Under the Filter By section, you have the power to decide which requests appear. You could filter by request type, maybe separating out software incidents from hardware needs. Or you might choose status if you only want to see tickets that are still open or unresolved. There's also priority, which is handy if you want to highlight just the urgent stuff, need something really specific. Use labels for extra detail. And for those of you who like fine-tuned control, try the advanced option. This lets you enter a JQL statement, which is essentially Jira's own search language. So for example, you might enter priority equals high and resolution is empty to catch all high priority requests that haven't been resolved. Super useful for IT managers or team leads. Once you've decided what's included, you can use the order by dropdown to set how your team will see these issues. Maybe you want the newest tickets on top, or perhaps you'd rather sort by SLA status to make sure nothing critical slips by. Picture this like sorting your email inbox by unread messages so you can tackle what's most important first. Next, it's time to customize the columns. In the Columns section, you can drag and drop to show or hide information. Only want to see the request summary, who's assigned, and the current SLA. It's all up to you. This customization not only declutters your agent's interface, but also highlights the details that matter most for their daily workflows. When you're happy with everything, scroll down and hit Create. Take a breath. You've just built a queue tailored to your team's real-world needs. Now, here are a few quick best practices to make your queues work even harder for you. Try to group related queues. This helps with visibility and keeps things tidy and intuitive for your team. Use queues in tandem with SLAs. This way, those issues that are approaching or missing targets are pulled right to the top. No more last-minute scrambles. And finally, don't go overboard. The goal is simplicity. Build queues that reflect how your team actually works, not just what's possible in Jira. I hope this walkthrough helped you feel more confident about creating and managing queues in Jira Service Management. If you found this tutorial useful, please hit the like button and subscribe for more clear, practical guides. And if you run into any questions or you're unsure about a step, drop a comment below. I'm here to help. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.